Ciao, sono Simone Pedeferri, inventore del Melloblocco. Benvenuti al Climbing Day.
So while Hugo's been filming that boulder, I've walked up the hill and scouted out some more, and they are dry. So we're gonna head up the hill, find one very sort of long women's traverse and one very crimpy heel hooky thing. Gracie Martin, nice to see you again. We're up the hill in Melloblocco to this kind of undercover boulder here.
Yes.
You were trying this yesterday, yeah?
Yeah, I had a go on it yesterday. I missioned up, got very lost, ended up all the way over there and then walked over and found it. So yeah, it's really long, really pumpy. There's good holds for quite a while, and then you have like a crux section on really small crimps. It's like maybe 3 or 4 really hard moves, and then jugs again. But by the time you get to the crimps, you're already really pumped.
Are you going to give us a go today, or are you just chilling?
I'm going to spot for a little bit, I think. I just tried to boulder for quite a long time, so I need some rest and food, maybe some coffee, and then I'll do some more climbing.
Like a hobbit in a hole. So Michelle, you were having a pretty good go at those horrible little crimps in the middle. Just tell me a bit about them.
Well, it seemed good, but as soon as you're up there, you're a bit too high for them, and they get super sloppy. So it's like you can't really put any weight in. It's all in the heel, and you have to get this far to the left.
Tell me a bit about Melloblocco. How many times have you come to this event?
This is the 3rd year, participating. And I just love the atmosphere, and people are so kind. There's so many people, and you get to know so many of them. I love the idea with all the competition part, which you don't get stressed in the same way as other competitions. It's just you go to the boulder, you have fun with other climbers.
It's like working it as a session, isn't it? Rather than sort of like competing yourself, you're with other people.
Yeah.
It's quite cool.
Of course you're happy with the flash, but just working a problem with the other girls is super cool.
So we found some cool boulders up here and some great people to climb with, so we got lucky, but the weather has started to turn now and it's started to rain, so we're going to head down back to the car, maybe go to the other side of the valley, see what we can see over there, maybe go get a coffee, we'll see. So once again we managed to dodge the rain by finding a boulder undercover. Really short one, this one, kind of crimp rail to pull on and then a sort of like dynamic move to a tiny little crimp, looks super slippery.
Ale Fede, dai che ciao poi?
Lilo mi ha
Madonna.
Oh, it just hurts now.
Ale Fede, dai Fede. Cazzarola. Ale. Vedi, lei sposta il
Come on. Yes, come on.
So I think we're going to leave it for today's show here. We've had a pretty good day dodging the rain and finding the goods once again at Melloblocco. So we're going to leave these guys to it here, head down to the car, go for a quick coffee, maybe a little pasta. We'll see you guys soon.